In this tutorial, I'll show you how to twist a rotating gear. Let's create a gear mesh. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab, to go to edit mode. Type 2 to edge select. Alt select the upper edge loop like this. Shift Alt select the lower edge loop like this. Control East to bridge edge loops. I'll right-click to shade smooth, and auto-smooth afterward. We can create a 100-frame long animation and animate the Z-axis rotation like this. Let's type I as in India to set a new keyframe on the rotation Z. On frame 100, I'll change the Z rotation to 359 and set a new keyframe. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. Now we have a continuous animation. I'll add a metallic material. Let's try to twist the mesh, and see what would happen. Do you see what's happening now? That's not what we want. We want the twisted gear to rotate from the center. Let's try other axes. This is almost what we want, but that's the shape we were looking for. We can easily fix this by adding an empty object, and use its origin to twist the rotating mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.